Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told it makes sense that the larger the area of a region, the larger the number of species that inhabit that region. Many ecologists have modeled this species area relation with a power function, and in particular, the number of species S of bats living in caves in central Mexico has been related to the surface area of the caves by the equation S is equal to 0.7 A to the 0.3. S is the species of bats, A is the surface area of the caves. So in part A, this cave near Puebla, Mexico has a surface area of A is equal to 60 meters squared. How many species of bats would you expect to find in the cave? All we have to do is plug in 60 into this function to get S is equal to 0.7 times 60 to the 0.3. And doing these calculations, we get 2.391. Rounding to the nearest whole number, because you can only have a whole number of species, we would expect 2 species of bats to be living in that cave. In B, if you discover that 4 species of bats live in the cave, estimate the area of the cave. So here we are plugging in 4 for S and solving for A. So we divide by 0.7. These cancel and we get roughly 5.714 is equal to A to the 0.3. 0.3 is 3 over 10. So we take 5.714, we raise it to the power of 10/3. This is the same as A to the 3/10 to the 10/3. 3/10 times 10/3 is just 1, so this is A to the 1 is equal to the cube root of 5.714 to the 10th, right? The number on the bottom is the root, the number on top is the exponent. So therefore A is equal to the cube root of 5.714 to the 10, which is 333.5. So the estimated surface area is 333.5 meters squared. So 2 species and 333.5 for this particular cave.